Hey there, I'm Ben from Memberium. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control menu items conditionally using Memberium. Now, in the past, we did require a separate plugin, but with Memberium's latest updates, this has been made super easy. You don't need to be a computer expert. You don't need to know PHP. All you need to know how to do is simply point and click, and you can protect your menu items conditionally. And what I mean by that is, let me give you a couple examples. You could, for example, show a sales page only to visitors who haven't bought a certain course or product yet in your menu. You could also hide that said sales page from certain customers who have already purchased it. You could just have different content up in your navigation menu, drip it out weekly, monthly, so every month a new menu item gets added for members to click. You could unlock new content when somebody gets a new tag. You could show or hide certain links based on the members' memberships or their Infusionsoft tags, or you could display a log out and log in link depending on whether the user's logged in or logged out. So let me actually just show you how this works. So first things first, I want to show you the site that I'm working with here in the current menu. In this current menu, I have 5 items. I have a home, your account, a gold members only page, a logout link, and then a free course offer. If I'm logged out of the site, here's what it looks like. It's actually exactly the same. The only difference here is that the logout link changed to a login link. If you want to know how to do that, check the other video that I've linked below this one, since it goes into detail on how to do that. So first thing that we're going to do here is simply come over here into the main dashboard. So WP Admin Dashboard, WordPress Dashboard, come over into that dashboard, and then on the side here, go to the Appearance and then the Menus tab. Now, like I said, in the past we required that you install a separate plugin, but with the latest update, this is all built straight into Memberium. So let's actually just start protecting some things. Obviously, the home page, we'll probably want to leave that for everybody. So if we click that here, where it says the Memberium box right here, we'll leave that user status to just all visitors. We want everybody to be able to see the home page link here. On the Your Account, I actually want this to only show up for users that are logged in. In order to do this, where it says user status, I'm just going to check logged in users only. Now that does open up some other options here, and we're going to certainly use those in just a moment. But for now, I actually just want to leave this for anybody who is a logged in member. So here where it says gold members only, well, it's pretty obvious what we want to do here. We want to have this show up for members that are only have the gold membership. So I'll come and set this to logged in users only. And then where it says memberships, I'll just simply hit the gold membership. Now, if I did want another membership to have access, for example, maybe I wanted platinum to be able to see this, I could just add platinum here. And now the user just needs to have one of these two memberships, gold or platinum, in order to see this menu item. Now, I do want to show you one other thing, and I'll touch on it here in a moment too, but you can also require tag IDs. So if I didn't have necessarily a membership, maybe it was just a tag, I could just find that tag by just typing in gold. Here it is right here, and then I could say gold. Better yet, you could also have a does not have tag. So for example, if I didn't want silver members to see this item, I could really come in here and specify does not have, like for example, silver. Now I understand this is silver 10, but you would have a does not have option. So it's super easy to set up a does not have requirements as well. So we'll again just leave this here where gold is required, and we'll move on to the next one. Now this here is my login logout link. Let me fix that there. And as you can see, this is using a little bit of custom stuff here from Memberium. So what you'll do is just leave this to all visitors, do /Memberium login logout : and then in the navigation label, this is the text that shows up, put this shortcode in, open bracket mem_login logout close bracket. And if you do that, Memberium is going to take care of showing the correct login or logout link based on if the user's logged in or logged out. However, you can just as easily create 2 separate links for login and logout and have those show up using these conditions. But ultimately, this is the easiest way to do it. Okay, the last thing here is this free course offer, and I actually want this to show up for people who are only logged out of the site. So I can just simply do logged out only. And now if we save this menu, let's go see how it looks for people who are logged out and who are logged in. Okay, so here I am, I'm logged out of the site, and I'm going to refresh now. That's what it used to look like. And now that it's refreshed, we can see that it's so much cleaner. I just have the home, the login button, and then my free course offer. Now let me actually go ahead and log into the site. Okay, so now that I'm logged in as a gold member. You can see that I do have the Your Account page here. I am able to access the gold members only, and I can log out. So this is exactly how it works. Now, I want to show you just a couple of other things. So since I am a gold member, I'm actually going to set this to does not have gold, just so you can see how that works. So if we come over here to where it says gold members only, I'll go ahead and remove this membership here. So we'll go ahead and delete that. And where it says require tag IDs, I'm going to type in does not have gold, and then it's 122 right here. So now we're going to make this where only people who don't have the gold tag can see this. So it's everybody except for gold members. Okay, so we've saved that. We're going to come over here and refresh, and we're going to see that menu item is now gone on the front end of the site here for that user. Now, before I wrap up this video, because it's really that simple, there's not much to show you here, I do want to explain that if you actually have a page linked here that's protected with Memberium. So what I mean is, if we come over here and, for example, add this sample page to the menu, and then this sample page here, if we went to open this page, so let me go ahead and open that for you. On the right-hand side of the edit screen, you have the Memberium content protection box. Let me wait for that here to load. So here it is right here. If, for example, I protected this with my platinum membership or my silver membership, or I set up any protections here, if the user doesn't meet these protection requirements, Memberium automatically hides this from the menu. So you don't need to go set up the menu protections in addition to these if you don't want it to show up. And so that just saves you some time. So for example, if I set this to platinum users right here and I updated this was in the menu, what would happen is Memberium would hide this from anybody who's not platinum. So ultimately, all the things I just showed you are going to be great for custom links or pages that you haven't necessarily protected in a specific way. With all that being said, I hope you can use this to make your membership site better. And if you have questions, I want you to join me on Office Hours. That's a call that happens twice weekly, where you can get live help from me and other Memberium experts, again, every Tuesday and Thursday. If you're having an immediate problem or you need technical assistance, reach out to our support team by going to memberium.com/support. Thanks again. Take care.